it's Dakota and Lauren, and today we're laughing at me introducing us, and we are going to unbox Boxycharm! So I'm super excited. I haven't had Boxycharm in like almost 2 years, probably. But Dakota got me a subscription for Christmas.
You're welcome.
So, actually, I don't know if we've made a video together since we've gotten married. We haven't.
Since we've gotten married?
Yeah.
Is that right?
So, you've been on our channel before as my boyfriend, but not as my husband. So, show your ring.
I have?
Uh-huh.
As your boyfriend?
Yeah.
When? What was it for?
Last year you did my makeup.
I wasn't your boyfriend.
Okay, whatever.
That was a couple of days before I was your boyfriend.
Okay. Okay, it's my almost boyfriend. Anyways, we are going to unbox this Boxycharm box. We already cut the seal for the sake of not having scissors in our hands. Ooh. Okay, so they've improved Boxycharm boxes since I've seen them last. They are like nicer, more reusable feeling. And apparently they have thick foam now, which is different as well.
Wow.
Rock 2018. I'm not going to look at the back of this because this is a spoiler. But apparently it's rock and roll style.
Ooh.
The foam, look. Take a look inside. It's like really thick foam. It's like egg crate. It looks like a mini
Can you use that for so many things?
moving foam. I know. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
This is our first thing I pulled out here. Pores No More Luminizing Primer by Dr. Brandt. Or however you say that. That is exciting. I do like trying new primers. Let's see here. It says, apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use it alone for natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application.
Woohoo!
AM and PM. But I don't put on makeup twice a day. Interesting. It's an ounce. It's probably full size. I'm excited to use that.
Made in Miami, in the U.S.
Miami. That's how they get the light to bounce because it's really bright and sunshiny in Miami. Okay. Brow powder. Power, not powder. Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, I don't normally do my brows, but it is a really good brand. I like it. Brow Power.
Ooh.
That's a sleek package. It's metal. Look, honey.
It is metal. Oh, it looks like a Sharpie. Look at that.
Yep.
You could use a Sharpie. Don't recommend it. I don't think your hand needs eyebrows, babe.
I think it does. Woohoo, eyebrow hand. Is it double-ended? Let's see if it's double-ended. Ooh, oh, it's the spoolie end. So there's the spoolie end, and there's the roll-up stick end, like that.
Depending on the pressure, it has different shades.
There's the shade.
Do you know that?
Oh, really? Nope, didn't know.
Universal Transforming Shade adjusts to your brow color. Apply softer strokes for lighter hair color, including blonde and silver. Press harder for darker hair, including brown and black. To finish, lightly brush through brows for a spoolie brush for a natural polished look.
This one.
See enclosed how to guide. Wow.
Spoolie here.
Oh, I'm good.
Spoolie.
My eyebrows are eyebrowy enough.
Okay, here. There we go.
You want to take a guess where this one is made?
California.
No. Wrong side of the country.
Also Florida?
No.
New York.
Jersey City, New Jersey.
Jersey! Oh, let's see what's next. This is really pretty packaging. Look at this.
Wow, it's like Christmas.
Girlactik. Beauty. Like galactic, but Girlactik.
Let me see.
Girlactik. Like Girlactica. Maybe? I don't know. Maybe that's not how you say it. That's how my brain reads it. I don't know if that's a good thing.
I'll read the box.
Ooh, pretty. Matte lip paint. I should have left my lipstick off, then we could try it. Ooh, it smells good. It smells buttery or something.
Like you can eat it. Don't do that.
Just kidding. Looks like a really pretty color. I'll swatch it here. Ooh. That's a nice wintry looking shade. Look at that.
Ooh, very wintry.
So.
Reminds me of Star Wars.
Star Wars?
Yeah.
Why?
Remember that planet at the end where it has the salt, but once underneath the salt is red stuff?
Oh, yeah. So Star Wars red. There you go. Ooh, there's big things in the bottom. I'm excited.
Ooh, hold up.
Okay.
Where was that one made? Take a guess.
New York.
Wrong again.
Dang it.
Other side of the coast again.
California.
Tarzana, California.
Hey, Cali.
That's Canada.
Cali
No, it's
lipstick.
maybe US.
Canada? What?
No, it's not.
Ooh, let's look at this one.
Canada is a part of the U.S.
It's
yes.
pure bronze and Brighton. Sealed. Ooh, those are pretty. Wow, look at that. And it's even got a mirror that I'm gonna pull the sticker off of so you can see better. Ooh, that's nice. Here are the shades. Let's swatch them. Wow, that's really pigmented.
Ooh.
Those are really pretty.
Here
Look.
one's the brown.
You like the bronzer?
Yes.
That's pretty. Ooh, see how they blend out real quick. There's not as much to read
I
on
like
that
how
one.
it closes.
It's it, yeah, I like it too. Ooh, they do blend out nice. There's them blended out.
Blush and glow, afterglow, mineral glow.
Glow. Now I have makeup all over my
Take a
hands.
guess where this one is made.
Which coast?
East, I'll give you that.
New Jersey.
Atlanta, Georgia,
Georgia.
which has a coast,
Interesting.
so that was not unfair.
Yes, it was. Just kidding. Okay, one more thing in this super cool box.
I just like how it opens
You
and
like
closes.
how it opens and closes?
It's very nice.
It's almost like a weighted open close feel. It's pretty. Glam Metals Crown Pro. I've never heard of Crown Pro before, but I'm excited to look at this.
Woohoo!
Looks like it's going with a rock and roll theme because it has a guitar top part. I don't know what that's called.
The neck of a guitar.
The neck of it. Just the neck of it. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Punk, Wild Thing, Black Metal, Rock On, Rebel, Heavy Metal, The Wicked, Glam Rock and Pop Rock. But it's cute. It's got a little guitar mirror here with little wings. And then it looks like some really, pretty eyeshadow shades. So, here, I'm gonna use your hand. I'm gonna swatch them onto his hand. Okay, we'll start here. That one's Punk. I like that. That looks pretty. This one's Wild Thing. This one's Black Metal, which is more. That one's more matte.
It's more charcoal.
Mm-hmm.
But I like it.
You like it?
I'll put it on whenever I sing.
This one's Rock On. This one's Rebel. Ooh, I like that one.
That's a good one.
This one's Heavy Metal. It's a pretty slate blue color.
It's like a fish.
This one's The Wicked. Oh, we're getting into your hairy arm part.
Oh, you got a little bit more on this side.
Okay, I'll do them on this side. Okay, here, I'll do The Wicked again. This one's The Wicked. The Wicked, not just Wicked, The Wicked.
You must really like that one.
I just think it's a funny name. This one's Glam Rock, right there. And then, my fingers are almost really dirty. This one's Pop Rock. Ooh, I like Pop Rock a lot. There we go. So there are the shades. And that is everything in the box. Let's look at the card now to see their value.
Time for our game segment that we have not finished yet. Where's it at? Oh, it doesn't tell me, does it?
It's probably on this one.
Oh, you're probably
There's a
right.
case within a case. I need a paper towel now. Not tissue. Ho, ho, ho. Allergies are good for something, aren't
Ooh,
they?
okay, we haven't ventured in this one yet. Take a guess which one this is made in. Or it's founded in. It's actually made not in America.
Made in China.
Made in China, but guess where it's founded in?
Founded
The
in
corporation.
North Carolina,
No. Crown Point, Indiana.
Close.
I guess it's in the north-ish area.
Yes. Okay, now let's do prices. Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer.
Which one is that? This
You have
one.
to guess the prices on this one.
My guess is going to be, was like The Price is Right. Finally comes into use.
This primer
20.
Nope. 38.
Ooh.
Delivers a
It's this
natural,
one, right?
radiant glow, while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminating, flawless complexion. Okay, you gotta guess the brow. It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow
Hold
Pencil.
up. Gotta remember which one that. This one.
Yes.
Is
Yes.
it in there?
Yes.
Here, let me get it out for the world. I don't know how do you
This
get it
has
out?
green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, vitamins, and a lot of other things in it to give you a natural brow look. Pricing
34.
24.
Ooh.
Cheaper than you thought.
Wanna know what they won for to begin with, so.
Okay.
Shot in the dark.
Crown Pro Glam Metals Palette.
Oh, wait.
Yes, that
This
one. Drum roll.
Oh. Oh, is there no description? Is that it?
Rock your look with Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make a smoky eye look a breeze.
I'm gonna say. Gonna go with 34, Bob.
25, cheaper than
Ooh.
you'd think.
Well, clear. I just bought it. Okay.
Okay, Pure Complexion Authority Bronze Brighten Cheek Palette, which is what you have in your hand.
Oh.
This is an on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin-perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone, featuring your fan favorites along with the new blush shade.
I'm gonna guess 24.
34!
Oh, well, dang it. I missed my opportunity.
Which is actually a really good deal if you think about it. You're getting a blush and a bronzer and a highlight for 34.
Accurate.
Last one, but
This
not
one.
least one. The Matte Lip Paint by Girlactik. One of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words. A lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or primer before application. So you're just supposed to put this puppy straight on your lips. Price is right. But will you be right, is the question.
I don't know.
Back to you, Dakota.
You went from a TV show host to a news anchor? Go with 30.
23.
Gosh. Out of this game.
You gotta pay attention to price tags more when we're in Sephora.
I just know the budget.
Anywho's, thanks for watching our video. Hope that you enjoyed our unboxing of the January 2018 Boxycharm. Looks like there's even a chance to win an exclusive Boxycharm worth over $400 sorry about that, on your card. So that's pretty cool. We hope that you enjoyed this. What?
Nothing. I
Something
figured
to
it.
add?
I couldn't get into the box, and
Oh.
it seemed.
Well, it's okay. We're
I
gonna
didn't
take
seem
them
it
out
was to be
anyways.
possible.
We'll be using some of these in future videos. And you have anything to say? No? Okay.
Can't think of anything.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Sorry that she hasn't made any videos since she has been busy with me for a year.
Yeah.
We've
We
been-
just finally got through our last box that I hadn't unboxed yet. So,
What?
in our house.
Oh, yeah.
So if that tells you how busy I've been, that I'm just now getting to unpack. But hopefully videos will be made more frequently now that it's a new year and life is gonna slow down just a tiny bit.
Accurate.
So,
Hopefully.
yes, hopefully. Well, be sure and click subscribe and stay tuned for all of our future videos. If you want to check out our first video that we made together, you can go back to last year and see that one. And until next time, remember, what?
Also, don't forget the like button. It's
Oh
important.
yeah, don't forget to like. Give it a thumbs up.
Don't
Clip,
dislike
clip,
it.
clip.
They took that
No.
out of the YouTube feature, so you can even try if you wanted to. You could definitely try the like
I
button.
didn't know they did that.
Well, they did, so you weren't supposed to say that.
We can edit it. Okay, until next time, remember, you are beautiful.